Today I'm about to create a neon glitter summer nail set with new polishes from Madam Glam. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and as you can tell by the package here, I have another one here from Madam Glam, and this is featuring 3 of the 8 polishes that are now available starting today, June 4th, from the Neon Unity collection. Look at this blue right here. Doesn't it look electric? And look at the name. It's Electric Denim. This one here, straight up neon green. Yes, it is, with sparkles in it. This one's called Sizzling Lime. Ooh, look at that. Can you see the glitter in there? Neon and glitter. What a combo. This one here, this is like a gold yellow color, but it's called Neon Honey. Ooh, wait, think of what you can create with this pretty bottle polish. So again, I have 3 out of the 8 different polishes here. I'm going to go ahead and swatch them, and as you can see here, this electric blue, which is Electric Denim, is nice and bright. If you're looking for a blue that will stand out, you need that pop of color on your nails, whether they're short or long, this blue is going to stand out. Then we have this beautiful color here, Sizzling Lime. This has sparkles in here, and it looks like there's gold, even blue sparkles in here. Almost like, I think these new neon glitters remind me of glitter, chrome, and opaque color all wrapped into one polish. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This Neon Honey looks like it has sparkles in the color of green and even gold in it. Ooh. Anyway, so I never really show my prep for my nails in my videos, but today you're in for a treat. So I have some polygel that I have already started to file down. I have a lot of repairs to do, especially on this thumb. Ooh wee, look at all that lifting. So what I start to do is push my cuticles back here with my cuticle pusher. Pretty self-explanatory. I want to go ahead and uncover as much as my nail as possible. Then I take my little scraper tool here and scrape any of the cuticle that I'm able to that's grown onto my nail plate. Then I take here my drill, and I have it on a low speed here, as you see, and I go ahead and clean up what I can. And then here I go with my nippers, and I clipped off as much as I could, but then of course I file more, and then eventually those bits just flick off. Then I go on with the cuticle nipper and I cut my cuticles. Some people are not comfortable with this. If you're not, don't do it, because you can easily cut yourself, but I'm pretty comfortable here, and this cuticle nipper is kind of dull, but I do this every single time. Now I'm going in with this. I think this is a cuticle bit, y'all. I'm not a professional, so this is what I use to do some of the final cleanup of the cuticle. Again, the prep, that is the most important, especially around that cuticle if you don't want lifting. And I kind of forgot about that last time, which is why I had awful lifting on this thumb. So what I'm doing here is just filing it down a little bit more with the hand file. Shaping a little bit at the same time as well on my other fingers before I go in with some new polygel. And as you can see, I ended up on that thumb, I ended up clipping off that nail because it was lifting all the way down there. So what I'm going to try to do is repair that nail with polygel without using forms or even taking the entire nail off and starting over. I don't got time for that. So now I'm going in with my nail dehydrator, paying special attention to that area where I had to clip into that nail. And then I go in with my primer, and then I go in with my Madam Glam base coat. Now that I have that out of the way, here I am going in with my clear Polygel. I never show this, but I thought I show just a taste of it this time around. I'm going to speed it up really fast through the rest of this application because the main point here is to get to those 3 polishes. So I'm just going to repair the nail, and this is what I did. Okay, now that I'm applying the Polygel, for me, I go with the flow basically. If I think I can go ahead and do my fill with 1 bead, I will. If it's 2, 3, it doesn't matter how many, as long as I'm able to do the job. And right now I have to repair this nail and I have to rebalance everything, file this down a little bit, lots of stuff. So that's why this is sped up as much as it is, just to hurry up and get this out of the way. On each finger, I go in with the Madam Glam No Wipe base coat. I cure for 60 seconds and I go in with the clear Polygel and I cure that for about a minute per bead. The slip solution I'm using, I probably didn't mention that already, but the slip solution that I use each time is 91% alcohol, and that works fine for me. Okay, now that I have that out of the way, once I was done with the Polygel, I went in with the 91% alcohol to remove that sticky layer. Then I did some filing and shaping, and now we're buffing and now wiping the surface off from any debris with alcohol again, and we are ready to get into the polish. Okay, so first what I do is I go in with the Madam Glam No Wipe base coat, get that on all nails, cure for 60 seconds. Then my thumb, I forgot to press record. Sorry, but I'll do the same nail on my ring nail in just a moment. Basically what I did is I went in with the Neon Honey for one layer, cured it for 60 seconds, then went in with another layer of Neon Honey. I did not cure it, and then I used a dotting tool to put in some electric denim and also Sizzling Lime, and just swirl the colors around straight on the nail to make this marbling effect. There's no wrong or right way to do marbling. This is my second method that I've tried to do marbling, and there's so many different ones. But anyway, with all that polish, I make sure I go ahead and wipe underneath the nail and the sides so I don't mess up my shape. Now here we are on the ring finger, and I'm doing the same thing again. It won't be exactly the same as my thumb, but at least you'll see the entire process this time. And as you can see, my encapsulated glitter from my last poly nail set is peeking through the polish, so that's why I'm deciding to put a little bit more on the nail. Okay, so like I was mentioning before, the polishes I have here are just 3 out of the 8 gel polishes that are available in the brand new collection called Neon Unity that's coming out today, or when you watch this, it will be out, so June 4th. Now, this particular collection, like I said, is 8 soak-off gel polishes. The theme of this, or the tagline, it says, "Where dreams are dipped in glitter and confidence is coated in vibrant hues." Okay, so this also says that in this luminous oasis, diversity is not just embraced, it's celebrated in every dazzling shade of the rainbow. So as always with Madam Glam polishes, they're vegan, cruelty-free, 21 free, and palm oil free formulas. Nothing has changed. Same amount of curing time as before. 4 out of the 8 soak-off gel polishes that are in the new Neon Unity collection are neon glittery formulas, and then the other 4 are neon. So to tell you the names, we have Sizzling Lime, there's Neon Honey, and then there is Shine On, which is like a pink glittery color. Then Rose Glitz, which is like almost like in between pink and purple glittery formula. And then we have Empower, Electric Denim, Love Wins, and Orchid Glam. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, if you're interested in any of these polishes, again, they just came out today, June 4th. Go ahead and scroll on down in my description box. You'll find my affiliate link to get you straight on into Madam Glam. And if you use the discount code OlenaR35, you can get 35% off your entire order when you choose the option pay as you go. If you're VIP, that's completely separate. So using my affiliate link, you do help me out. That does let Madam Glam know that I sent you on over there. So, you know, if you want to go ahead and support me, go ahead and click that link and make sure you use my discount code, okay? So as you can see, I'm going in with this Neon Honey, and as you can see, it's not quite covering every bit of that encapsulated glitter from my last set, especially on my pointer finger where I use Sizzling Lime. So I have to do something on the bottoms of these nails to cover it up. Now, as you can see with the electric denim, it covered everything up completely. It's super opaque. It's just beautiful. But as you can see, yeah, that pointer finger, I have to do something. So what I decided to do is take out some of my glitter foil. Now, this is my first time really using it. I had no idea that I didn't need to go in with the Madam Glam base coat first for it to stick. I found out accidentally that I didn't need anything for it to stick because the sticky layer from the gel polishes I've used was sticky enough, as you can see by my pinky. So I have a whole bunch of gold flakes just, stuck there, and I don't quite notice it until after I'm done with this finger. So anyway, I play around with it, and then I realize, oh, okay, I can use my glove and I can make sure everything's pressed in. This gold flakes, they're so delicate. It doesn't take much to break it apart at all. It's super thin, and it sticks onto everything. Okay, so here I am trying to clean up my pinky. I didn't really want to put the foil or the this gold flaking on my pinky at all because it's already a gold color. But hey, it looks nice. I pressed it in with my gloved hand, and yeah, it's still pretty. So I decided to go ahead and just put some on my middle finger as well. I didn't want to leave that one out. And here we go. So again, I am a beginner to all this. I like to try new things with every polish that I get. I try to use the polishes that are sent to me, of course, all within one set, and then I always try something new. So if you're interested in seeing a beginner just try things out on her fingers, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I'm learning, and I'll show you my mistakes as well. As you just saw, it ended up working out here. So now I'm going in with some Madam Glam No Wipe top coat, and here we go. Isn't this pretty? I'm telling you, you go anywhere with these nails, someone's going to ask you about your nails. Now I'm going in with the Madam Glam Cuticle Balm that I love to use. It smells so good and just moisturize and nourish these cuticles that have been through everything. Get those smoothed out here. I haven't done my right hand yet, but I may do a little something, and I have to redo that anyway. So this is super pretty. Let me know in the comments which nail is your favorite. Would you wear any of these colors? Do you plan on checking out this new collection with Madam Glam? Let me know. What colors are on your fingers and toes right now? Let me know down below. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone. This may give someone an idea of what to do with their nails next. Leave me a comment. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.